Hi, my collection is called The Crossing. I feel every time I come up with a collection on this ramp, for me it's like maturing and growing up every time. I think I've grown up with fashion, so my collections show my maturity throughout the seasons.
Being a very close friend of Nishka and almost adoring her from the time she's been little, according to me, because that's when I came for her first show, was inspiring to see her back again with very easy, interesting stuff that she's done. And so were the other two designers. I thought Nikhil was beautiful with his blacks and golds. I must say you were a very stylish grandmother. And so was Nimish with Shift. I think it was a lovely show. And good luck to you, Nish.
Thank you. It's been a very good day because I've discovered Nishka, and I thought she's done some very wearable, adorable clothes. And of course, Nimish, I have known for a long time. He's an old friend. I don't know which one of us is old, but he's an old friend. And yeah, I think, I've always been a fan of his clothes because they're day-to-day clothes, and clothes that I can wear on a sunny, hot day, and not just on a red carpet. I also love the fact that, that sustainability is such a huge part of his work process. I, grew up in Pondicherry, where, a lot of this organic cotton farming is encouraged, and, the knitwear that he's talking about is very familiar to me. I've grown up with that. So, yeah, there's a lot of familiarity to his clothes, which I really love. Again, Nikhil, the South Indian influence, I immediately reckon to it. The music as well. That's the music of my childhood. So, all in all, I had a great day this morning.